Okay, you guys are not gonna like this. I have not been updating like I should have been. The crunch is on, you guys. Super Bowl party showtime tomorrow is 3 p.m. It is currently midnight, and I'm cranking these bad babies out, let me tell you. But I'm having some problems because these are bowed. I don't want to point out all of my flaws, but we'll just see what the camera picks up. I'm gonna tell you right now, it doesn't look perfect in person. But it will hold water and it won't bow and it'll work great, and we will be breeding the heck out of some fishies. If you guys didn't know, you cannot paint things in under 50-degree weather. This will happen. So I learned that next time I want to paint something in the wintertime, because a project absolutely cannot wait until summertime, that we will be rollering the paint inside the house. I also learned that we will be taping the inside as well as the outside of the front panel of glass, acrylic. I'm so glad the camera's not picking this up. There's a little bit of overspray, but if you didn't know, a magic eraser is perfectly safe to use on acrylic, and it will pull off Krylon Fusion paint. I would show you in the trash can, but I went through like 7 magic erasers. We're doing pretty good. So, like I said, it's about 12:30 at night. I'm finishing this Betta rack before the Super Bowl party, or so help me. But I'm sorry I haven't been getting a lot of footage. Maybe one day I'll put together some clips so that this somehow makes sense. But I'll see you guys next time on